Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the secrets to achieving a sleek back look on thick natural 4C hair. So if you know you have a very thick 4C hair and you haven't found the way to sleek back your hair, then this video is definitely for you. So just keep watching. Remember, we're working on very thick 4C hair, so water might not be your best friend for this style because water causes shrinkage, and once the hair shrinks, it's harder to get that hair together in a bun, especially if your hair is shorter. But if you must spray water, a little goes a long way. Here, I stretched out my hair by leaving it in a cornrow overnight. This makes it easier for me to manipulate and comb through. For this style, you have to part your hair in sections. So if your hair is way thicker and shorter than mine, you have to make sure you're parting your hair in smaller sections. Since we're not applying water on the hair, I'll advise you use a water-based gel that won't dry out your natural hair texture. I always use the Eco Styling gel, but this was my first time using this particular one and I love the results. It has this nice shine to it which I really love, and it defines my coils perfectly. So I put enough gel on the roots of my hair and comb that out thoroughly to get rid of any knots. And after that, I just hold that section with an elastic band. And that's basically what I do for every single part of this hair. You see what I mean? Just basically parting in little sections. Keep doing the same process. Use a wide tooth comb to detangle the section and then go ahead with the gel and rub that in the roots of the hair and not all over the hair, and then keep adding it up to a bun. So you just keep doing this process until you're done with the entire hair. As your bun builds up, you want to make sure you're applying the gel on the top and bottom side of each section you're working with, just as I'm doing right now. This makes it easier for each section to hold better with the initial bun. my god, guys, this brush is the best thing that can happen to a girl trying to slick back her 4C hair. This Denman brush helps so much. It just makes the hair so flat. Using it in each section after putting in the gel just puts that hair in place. Now that I'm basically done with the process for my entire hair, I'm just going to make sure that my hair is slicked down really good with the Denman brush that I just kept using to brush down my hair. Then I use an afro comb to comb out my puff. If your hair is short, you can always use any detachable puff or ponytail and attach that to the back of your hair. After laying my edges, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair with a satin scarf and let that dry. So guys, that's basically all I did for this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys actually love the results. And if you try these steps, please feel free to send me a picture on Instagram. I would love to see it. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.